The world of cruising has exploded in popularity in recent years. With vast ships offering everything from world-class dining to adrenaline-pumping activities, there's truly a cruise for everyone. Thankfully, this growing inclusivity extends to the LGBTQ+ community, making cruising an increasingly attractive option for MTF crossdressers like myself. Personally, I've found cruising to be a liberating and joyful experience. The freedom to express my femininity in a supportive environment, combined with the stunning destinations and endless entertainment options, creates unforgettable memories. If you're an MTF crossdresser considering setting sail, this guide will equip you with everything you need for a smooth and enjoyable voyage. Planning your MTF cruise. Choosing the right cruise line is the first step. Luckily, many major lines are embracing LGBTQ+ inclusivity. Research lines known for hosting pride events or actively promoting diversity in their marketing. Royal Caribbean, Carnival, and Celebrity Cruises are all excellent choices. Consider factors like dress code restrictions, some lines have relaxed formal nights, and onboard activities that cater to your interests. Packing for a cruise as an MTF crossdresser requires some forethought. Pack a versatile wardrobe that allows you to dress for various occasions. Formal nights typically call for cocktail dresses or gowns. For casual wear, sundresses, skirts paired with stylish tops, and poolside attire you feel confident in are essential. Don't forget comfortable walking shoes for exploring ports. Makeup, hair care, and packing essentials. Beauty essentials are just as important. Pack your usual makeup kit, along with travel-sized hair care products suitable for maintaining your desired hairstyle. Consider packing a steamer for quick wrinkle removal and a small jewelry case to complete your outfits. Pack your feminine clothing in garment bags and layer them with your regular clothes to maintain discretion. Utilize packing cubes to organize your wardrobe efficiently within your luggage. Documentation and legal considerations. Ensure your passport and any government-issued ID reflect your desired presentation if applicable. While most cruises operate smoothly, it's wise to be prepared for customs checks at international ports. Research the customs regulations of any countries you'll be visiting, especially regarding any restrictions on gender-affirming items. Embarking on your MTF cruise. The check-in process is usually straightforward. When interacting with staff, project confidence and politeness. If you're concerned about using your chosen name while presenting femininely, politely explain your situation to the staff member assisting you. Remember, most cruise lines have anti-discrimination policies that protect passengers based on gender identity and expression. Your onboard experience. Dining on a cruise can be intimidating for anyone, especially when presenting femininely for the first time. Most restaurants have a relaxed dress code. If you're unsure, ask the staff for guidance. Don't hesitate to request a table away from high-traffic areas if you prefer a more private dining experience. Onboard activities are another highlight of cruising. Theatrical productions, dance classes, and even shore excursions offer opportunities to showcase your style and personality. Remember, most people on a cruise are there to relax and have fun, so embrace the experience and participate in activities you enjoy. Socializing and navigating interactions. Socializing on board can be nerve-wracking, but ultimately rewarding. Strike up conversations with fellow passengers in common areas or during activities. Be prepared to answer questions about your presentation in a polite and positive manner. If someone accidentally misgenders you, a simple correction like, "I actually prefer she/her pronouns," is usually all that's needed. Most people are genuinely accepting and will be happy to address you correctly. TF-specific considerations. Public restrooms can be a concern. Most cruise lines offer gender-neutral facilities on some ships. Look for signage indicating these restrooms, or inquire with guest services if unsure. If gender-neutral facilities aren't available, choose the restroom that aligns most closely with your presentation and utilize the stalls for privacy. Misgendering, while sometimes frustrating, is a reality. The key is to approach corrections respectfully. A simple smile, and "I actually prefer she/her," can go a long way. If someone seems confused or uncomfortable, politely excuse yourself and move on. While cruise ships are generally safe environments, maintaining basic safety precautions is essential. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Familiarize yourself with the emergency procedures on board and locate your nearest muster station. As with any travel destination, be aware of your surroundings, especially when exploring unfamiliar ports. Trust your gut and avoid situations that make you feel uncomfortable. Cruising as an MTF crossdresser allows you to express your femininity freely. Savor the liberating feeling of dressing how you please and enjoying activities that make you feel confident and beautiful. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, and embrace the opportunity to discover what makes you feel most comfortable in your own skin. Many cruise lines host LGBTQ+ events such as dance parties or meet and greets. These are fantastic opportunities to connect with fellow LGBTQ+ passengers and share your experiences. Online forums dedicated to MTF cruising can also be a valuable resource. Sharing stories and tips with others who understand your perspective can make your cruise even more enjoyable. Capture photos throughout your cruise to create a visual record of your experience. Document your outfits, the beautiful destinations you visit, and the fun activities you participate in. These photos will serve as a reminder of the joy and freedom you experienced while cruising as your authentic self. Cruising as an MTF CrossDresser can be an incredibly rewarding experience. By following the tips outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable voyage. Remember, the key is to plan strategically, pack thoughtfully, and embrace the opportunity to express yourself freely. With a little preparation and a positive attitude, you're sure to create lasting memories on your MTF cruise adventure. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things during your cruise. Explore different onboard activities, engage with fellow passengers, and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the ship. Embrace every moment as an opportunity to connect with others and celebrate your true self. As you venture into this exciting experience, remember that confidence is key. Hold your head high, walk tall in your outfits that make you feel fabulous, and radiate self-assurance in all that you do. Your journey as an MTF crossdresser on a cruise can be empowering and liberating. Seize the opportunity to shine bright like the star you are. Above all else, enjoy every second of this unique adventure. Cherish the memories you create, savor each breathtaking sunset over the ocean, and revel in the sense of freedom that comes from being unapologetically yourself. Your MTF cruise journey is a testament to your strength, resilience, and authenticity. Embrace it fully and let your light shine. On my most recent cruise, I felt a newfound sense of freedom. Dining in the main dining room in a flowing dress, I received compliments on my outfit from fellow passengers. Participating in a dance class, I felt a surge of joy as I moved with confidence and grace. These experiences solidified my belief that cruising as an MTF crossdresser can be an empowering and joyful adventure. I hope this guide empowers you to embark on your own unforgettable MTF cruise adventure. Embrace the journey, express yourself authentically, and create lasting memories that will make you smile for years to come. Happy sailing! Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request for you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.